So I thought I'd make something a little bit new, something a little bit different than what I normally make. I decided on a Greek shrimp dish. So in English, it's Greek shrimp with tomatoes and feta. The Greek name is, please forgive my pronunciation, Garides Saginaki. Okay, hopefully I pronounced that correctly. It all starts off with the sauce. We're gonna get some olive oil in our pan here and we'll get going. Start off with some onions. You just want to sweat these out quite a bit. And to get the sweat going, we're going to add a little bit of salt. And pepper. Okay, these onions are looking pretty good. I'm going to add in the flavor components now. Start off with some garlic. Some red pepper flake. I've got some fennel seed. I mashed them up just a bit. I've got some oregano. And I'm going to throw in some ancho powder just for the sake of me having it available. I'll let that cook just a little bit. We really want the flavors of the spices to come through, and this will help do that. Okay, I've got to kind of deglaze with a little bit of white wine. Traditionally, you're going to use ouzo, but unfortunately I don't have any, so white wine it is. Okay, we've reduced it just a bit, not a whole heck of a lot. It's time to throw in the tomatoes. This is about 4 Roma tomatoes. You can use canned, but I had fresh available. Now we're going to let this cook down for about 15 minutes. Now the sauce is going, let's marinate our shrimp. Of course, a little salt and pepper. I've got the zest of 1 lemon. And the juice of 1 lemon. Stir that up and set it aside. Garnish with a little bit of feta. And this is my version of a Greek shrimp with tomatoes and the feta. All the ingredients that I used are down in the description. And while you're down there, you might as well like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Also, let me know what you want me to cook. I'll talk to you next week.